So we are at Costco. Let me see if I can show y'all. No. There's a snowstorm coming tonight, and we need to stock up on some food because we ain't trying to be stuck in the house with nothing to eat. But we have a problem. Yeah, Zoe fell asleep. This might not go so well. Y'all wanna come with us? Yeah, let's go. Zoe. ¿La despierto o la saco durmiendo?
Sácala durmiendo.
You're like a child. Oh, she is so tired. She's out still.
People are gonna look at me. Look at face. Oh,
You want
you're out. No, she's gonna get all over.
You're welcome.
Am I ready for Costco now? She took a power nap. She's super up now. You like that? I think Casey ate a whole pack of these in about 3 days. There's so many choices.
I go by how they look. You see how these, like, they have that? That's the pink ladies. I went apple picking like 17 times. I'm like an apple expert.
Where's the toy go?
I don't know. We gotta look for them. Huh? In the living room?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say living room? Huh? Winger room? You're so cute.
Goals.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Say SpongeBob SquarePants. Look at these huge potatoes. What? Look at this. Okay, they don't look that big anymore, but look at that one. Whoa. Yeah. See, that looks like you. Look, doesn't it look like it really does? We are obsessed with these, but we have some right now. Whoa, baby.
That they're really good.
Oh man, no way. I will eat them all.
It's only 120 calories.
This is so good. Seriously. But I will eat the whole bag tonight.
It's only 120 calories. That's so good for a chocolate.
No, Casey, because you're not gonna have one. You're gonna have the whole
It's not
thing.
in one. It's in 1 ounce. 1 ounce of cookies. That's a lot of cookies.
That's not a lot. How much is the whole bag?
16.
16 ounces. I'll have all 16 ounces. Okay, go ahead. Take a picture. What do you want to take a picture of?
Dad?
Wait, you need to hold my baby correctly because I will have to kill you.
Okay.
Should we steal their croissants? There was no croissants left, but someone has it in their cart. We're thinking of stealing it. Guys, Zoe needs her own bed, right? Because come on, because she kind of doesn't know how to stay in her spot at night. So what y'all think of this one? I think this is nice, right?
I think it's beautiful. Look how happy he looks.
Yes.
Let's
Zoe
see
would
this
love
one.
it.
Oh, he is so.
Zoe, come here.
Look
What
at
you
her.
think? What you think? You like this for you? Do you want to sleep there? She said no.
Oh, it's blurry.
Mommy, homie. Mommy, homie. Mommy, homie. Mommy, homie.
Look what I found. Look, Casey. Look, it's the
Meditation
relaxing
thing?
Look what it has. It has so many cute things.
Are you gonna get it?
It's the anti-stress coloring book thing. I am in love. I really like it. I really like it. But I don't know how to use the coloring one, like the painting. Look, it's like
Step-by-step instructions. You see? I find
the art of relaxation.
making it more than coloring it in.
No, because you never really, and it feels so nice. You never really tried.
I have. I'm a freaking artist. Someone
love
opened it though. Was this you?
No, I didn't open it. These are so pretty. Like your face. We're back home. Come. We're gonna I'm gonna show you guys what we bought. I really wasn't planning on doing this video. Like I wasn't planning on vlogging today at all, which is probably why I look kind of crazy. How did you do that? You cut your face. I'm planning to vlog tomorrow, which will be Saturday. I'm taking Zoe out to play in the snow, and of course I'm gonna vlog that. Let me know what's the weather like where you guys are at. So tell me where you're at and what the weather is like, so I can be jealous if it's warm. This is definitely not everything that we get when we go to Costco. We get a lot more things, but we recently went grocery shopping. We were only missing a few of the basics, the essentials like milk and stuff like that. We know that we probably won't be able to do any type of food shopping tomorrow, so we figured we'd go today. Got torta bread. I don't know how to say it. Torta, whatever. We got this bread, which is really good. We got some bell peppers. You got your step stool. Okay, now you can show them what. You're too big. We got some washcloths, milk. There's a lot of milk because we drink a lot of milk here. There's eggs. You know what this is, Zoe?
Yeah.
Say mozzarella sticks. Yeah, nailed it. Mozzarella sticks.
Apple.
Chocolate Nesquik. Veggie patties because
Look at apple.
yeah, that's an apple. We got apples. Casey's vegetarian, so she needed her little snacks. Some sugar, mayo. Oh, that was here already. Flushable wipes. Robitussin because Casey's sick. A pineapple. I think that was it. I almost forgot. We got cup noodle soups too that I know are no good for you, but they're kind of addicted to them. So we're gonna try this. We never tried it before, and I think I showed you guys. This is our favorite though, the salmon burgers. They're really good. And that's pretty much everything we got this time. Do you know what this is, Zoe?
I didn't know that.
That's a bell pepper.
Bell pepper?
Uh-huh. What is this?
I didn't know that.
You know what that is. That's bread.
That's bread.
Yeah, that's bread. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Costco haul come along video. I thought it was pretty fun. Be careful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't so you never miss my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
You gonna give them a kiss? What are you doing? No, Zoe. Ew.